Hello lovelies, you welcome back to my channel. My name is Chimikova, that evil girl that keeps winning everything. So today, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to our tutorials. But if you're stopping by for the first time, do us that favor by clicking the subscribe button and join the Chimikova family. So I'll catch you in my tutorials. Guys, you welcome back again. So I just did my eyebrows off tutorial. I have so many detailed eyebrow tutorial for you. Yes, just check my videos and you check out my eyebrow tutorials. I have stroke brow tutorials, I have a natural brow tutorials for you. So I'm just setting the under of my eyebrows. I'm setting it with a powder. So after setting it, I'll go for my transitioning. I'm just using this brown shade, guys, like this brown chocolate color for my transition. So guys, any color from any palette can do this. Once you just get this shade right, like, you're good to go. Yeah, so and I make sure I blend very well. I blend it very well because I wouldn't want to entertain any harsh line whatsoever in my transitioning. So I just blend. I can use a softer brush if I'm not really getting what I want with the brush I'm using, to make sure it's well blended, guys. So these videos I'm going to be very detailed, so not like I'm just it's a very detailed. I showed my process, the details of my process. So guys, I'm just putting this yellow shade under the brow bow. Yes, I'm putting this yellow shade just to give it just to spice it up a little, you guys, just to spice it up. Just putting this vibrant yellow. So I'm going into my pink shade directly on top of the brown, guys. Like, we want to pepper this transition. We want it to be light, like on fire. So I'm using this pink shade. Next, I'm going into my purple shade. So I've used like 3 colors basically now. I used my brown, pink, and my purple shade for the transition. And to highlight the under brow bow, I used my yellow, yeah, instead of a white. So blending is the game. Yeah, if you guys attend my WhatsApp class or my physical class, you know I don't joke with my blending thing. So I know they play with blending. You must blend in between those colors to make sure there is no harsh line whatsoever, and that you are able to get the right color you intend using for your transition. So now mixing those 3 colors, I got a kind of color that I think I like a lot. Yes, I like that color a lot. So now I'm cutting the crease. For cutting my crease, I usually use 2 kind of eyeshadow primer, but the one I used here is my Pillows base in shade Rumor 2. Yes, but if you can't afford that one, a very nice one you can use also is your NYX jumbo pencil. It's very good for cutting your crease. So for cutting crease, I need to be very stable with my hands. Make sure I don't have any distracted hand movement. Like, when cutting it, I'll just do like as if I'm drawing, the shape of a rainbow, like that kind of shape. Will I call it a C? No. Like, yes, it's like an arc. Yes, it's like a curvy arc. Yes, so that's what I want to achieve when cutting my crease. So, and when you are cutting your crease, make sure the lines are not crooked. Make sure the lines are straight as possible. So after cutting my crease, I went into a white eyeshadow for the inner part of the eyeshadow eyelid. I went into my white eyeshadow. Now for the middle, I'm putting this baby pink eyeshadow, and for the outer part of the eyeshadow, I would make sure I put more of that purple shade, and I'm just dropping a little golden eyeshadow from Inglot in between the white and the pink, just to make it look more beautiful. Like, I don't know if you can see it, guys, but it's becoming like more interesting. Make I say more, it's becoming more interesting. That's white, gold, and pink. White, pink, and gold, with purple at the outer corner. That is sweet. Some people be like, oh, I don't know how to combine colors, I don't know the right colors to use. The truth is, anything where you see, all of us, they copy each other. Anything where you see, where you like, where you see for internet, any picture where you like, you recreate the look. It's that simple. You just see, like, simplicity is the key. Everybody is copying everybody in this world. Like, you're copying me, there's someone I'm copying. So there's nothing, no harm in copying. Just copy each other and just make sure you try and recreate a particular look you desire as much as possible. Yes. So I even spiced up the look more by putting a glitters, golden glitters at that place where I have that golden eyeshadow. After that, now I am doing my liner. Next, I'm applying my liner to my liquid liner to the eyes to prepare them the more. Yeah. So your looks must not be boring. Nudes are very fine, but nudes get level. But sometimes you try to pop it up and have a burst of colors. Sometimes, like, you do a very colorful look. It's very nice and it's very acceptable. So for her foundation, for her face, I've put her primer already. I used the Stay Matte primer, Rimmel Stay Matte primer. Then for foundation, I'm using the Avo foundation. That foundation can cover spot for Ninja. Like, that foundation, I think, is a must-have. If you have clients or you have spots, it will just disappear the spot like this. Boom. You will not see one single spot on that person's face again. It's a full coverage foundation. So guys, I'm not really doing a full makeup here. I'm just showing you the eyeshadow process. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love.